In this video, I will show you how to use your Android device as a second monitor. First, open your browser on your computer and search for Space Desk, just like I am showing you. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Space Desk website, download the version that matches your computer. Now, do the same on your Android phone. Go to the Play Store and download the Space Desk app. After downloading on both devices, install the program on your PC, just like I am doing here. Once it's installed, grab your phone and open the Space Desk app. After opening it, wait a few moments. You should see your computer listed on the screen. Make sure that both your computer and your Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you see your computer's name, tap on it and you'll be connected. That's it. Now your Android device is working as a second monitor. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.